At CloudNet 360, you know that we are huge advocates of upselling. We want to maximize revenue from every customer and then go back and get additional sales from those customers as follow-up sales. So in addition to featured products, related products, pre-sales upsell, post-sales upsell, or pre- and post-sales upsell system, we also have this sidebar system that you can use to do anything that you want. Now, one of the common things that people will use this for is to promote their customer service. It'll be used to promote additional products, and that's what I'm going to cover today. I'm going to show you how to add upsells into your right sidebar on your order form, and of course to add some customer service touches so that you reduce the number of abandoned carts that you get. Now, keep in mind we also have 2 levels of abandoned cart recovery, but those we'll cover in separate videos. Now, the first thing I want you to notice is that our right sidebar is blank at this point in time. Now, in this next example, I'm going to take the same order page, I'm going to modify it, and I'm going to add in a simple advertisement that says, upgrade my order and get a special bonus when they buy this product. And down below, I want to make sure that if there are any issues that the customer is having while they're on the order page, they have my phone number front and center. So in this example, the customer has already added Columbia Coffee Brew into their cart, and what I want to do is get them to upgrade and buy a second bag. So I'm offering them a second bag at half price as a special bonus. All they have to do is come down, click Upgrade My Order, and now you'll see that this product has been added into the cart for additional sales. This is a great way to boost your transaction volume for every one of your sales. Now, let me take you into the background and show you exactly how I did this. To perform this type of sidebar order page upsell, all I have to do is go into my order page systems. So I'll come into Cart Settings, Look and Feel, and I'm going to select my order page. And now what I'm going to do is come into the Advanced Setup System. I'm going to come to the right side HTML. Keep in mind, you could also do the same thing in the footer if you wanted to. Or if you're really advanced, you can add a bunch of CSS into your page and do all sorts of crazy things. Me, I want to keep this very simple, and I'm going to go to the right side HTML. And what I've done is I've used Snagit. I've talked a lot in the past about how I'll use Snagit to create things. And I just created this ad very quickly. It's just a graphic, and that's all it has to be. I've put the text into the ad. I've put the button into the ad. These could all be separate components. And again, you could put this in as HTML. You could use CSS. You can make it a simple image like I've done. All these techniques will work. It's just a matter of how sophisticated you want to get and how much time you want to spend on it. Me, I just want to get this done quickly, so I made it a simple image so that I don't have to worry about formatting or CSS or any type of coding at all. All I have to do is create the image or buy an image and combine it as I've done here. Now let's go back to our HTML. We're going to add 2 images in here. I'm going to put in my product image and I'm going to put in my customer support image. But there's something extremely important you have to do before you start adding images onto your order page, because your order page is secure. If you start adding images onto your page that aren't secure, your customers are going to get a warning when they come to your order page. Now, you can feed these images from your own website. You can feed them from your own server. You can feed them from wherever you choose, but it has to be secure. To make things simple, we've given you a secure image upload area. So all you have to do is upload your images into this area. We'll give you a link to use. And of course, we'll be providing you with a location that is secure so your customers will never get a warning when they come to your order page. Now, for the sake of expediency, I've already uploaded these images. So all I'm going to do is copy my link. And I'm just going to paste it into a text editor to make it simple. And I've uploaded my customer support image. So again, I'm just going to copy the link to this image. And I'm going to paste that into my text editor. And now the last thing I'm going to need is my product link. So let's go get that link and then we'll build our page. And I've created my product. I'm calling this the bonus bag of Columbia Coffee Brew. I'll copy my link, and again, I'm just going to paste it into my text editor. Now you could bounce back and forth and back and forth. I just paste these links into a text editor because I find it easier to copy them, paste them all into one form, so that when I'm building my page, I don't have to go back and leave the page for any reason. Let's go back into cart settings to look and feel, and we'll come into our coffee order page. Advanced setup, right side HTML, and now I'm just going to add my image. Copy the link, paste it. You want to keep a maximum width of 340 pixels, and that's it. Now that image is on the right sidebar. Just going to hit the return button, and I'm going to add in my customer support image. Save that one. And now the last thing I need to do is add a hyperlink into my button. So I'll click on the image and insert a hyperlink. So again, I'll come back to my cheater page, copy my link, paste it in, and that's all there is to it. Now I'll save it, and let's go back and see what happens. Come down to Columbia Coffee Brew, and I'm going to click the test button. And now you see that I have my advertisement for my special bonus, or my upsell, already on the right sidebar. And of course, if they scroll down and need additional help, they have this customer support person. To upgrade the order, a customer simply needs to click anywhere in this image. And there it is. I have my bonus bag added. I've used the sale pricing and the sale tag to make it look special. You can see my subtotal and total have gone up, and that's all there is to it. Now I've executed an upsell, I've increased my transactional value, and I'm making more money for my business, and I'm earning more per transaction from each customer. Now there are some different tricks and options you can do to make this even more powerful, and I'll show you these in follow-up videos. This is Gary from CloudNet 360, helping you sell more faster.